how do I apply canvas liner into my leather craft. So in this video I'm gonna show how I do that. Hello everyone! From time to time I am getting asked how do I apply canvas liner into my leather craft. So in this video I'm going to show how I do that. First of all, edges of liner should be covered by other leather parts. Other option, for example, to make it on a bifold wallet, you can skive edge of your leather piece, fold up, then stitch and hide it in that way. I am using linen canvas for this purpose. This type of canvas not very prone to absorb glue, but sticks quite well to leather. You can experiment with other types of canvas, but avoid those which get soaked easily. As you saw in other my videos, I'm using this type of glue. So cut the canvas in size of your leather piece. Apply glue on that leather piece, but leave a little bit near the edge without glue. Later I will cut canvas around this line to avoid protruding. Try to apply glue as evenly as possible. For that purpose I'm using just a regular card. Let it slightly dry and then apply canvas. Press it and let it dry. Now cut thin area of canvas around the edge. And glue the both leather pieces. How to make this wallet and PDF template for it you can find here, as my other PDF templates and leather craft also. If you have any questions regarding to leather crafting, feel free to leave them in the comment section and it may become the topic for new video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.